How to get bestbooking.com discount promo codes in 2025 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you have to open a new browser tab and search for bestbooking.com promo codes and click on enter. And as you can see, there are multiple web links. You just have to simply open one or two web links from here. And if we go to the couponfollow.com, you can see there are booking.com coupon 20% off, 10% off, 20, 10 and $15 or 15% off, up to 50% off. So you have to just click on the show coupon code and copy it and paste it to your cart and see multiple of the coupon codes, which one will work with you. No one can say that, so you have to check on your own. And the other website, we can say the simply codes, it has 50% off, 10%, 20% off. The process is same. You just have to simply click on view codes and just copy it and paste it to your cart while booking a air ticket or a hotel, and then you can get up to 50% off or 10% off on the specific coupon code. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.